Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make clickable links in a YouTube video description. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. Alright, so open up YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, and you can do this whether you are uploading a new video or you want to edit the description of an existing video. Let me show how it's done with an existing video. So if you're struggling to make your links clickable, here is the issue. So let's see an example. Let me open up this video and add the description here, and I'm gonna paste something I have already written. So most likely the issue your link is not clickable in the description is because you have pasted a link like this one. So this is my website where you can also check it out if you want. But the main thing here is that it misses the HTTPS part of the link. So if you want to make your YouTube video description links clickable, you always have to have this HTTPS to your description links if you want to make them clickable. So let's see that this link will be not clickable and this will be a clickable link. So if we click on save and check out the video, you can see the description here, and as you can see, the first link, the HTTPS section is not added, is not clickable. Where the HTTPS part is added, the link is clickable. So here's how you can add clickable links to a YouTube video description. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals, and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.